In this lesson, I'll teach you 3 meanings of salt in Jamaican Patois, and I'll give you some examples of how to use it.
Come and me teach you Patois now.
Hello everyone, welcome to Shan's Patois Academy, Jamaican Patois Simplified. My name is Shan, your Jamaican Patois teacher from Jamaica.
Now let's talk about salt. The first meaning we're going to look at is the meaning similar to English. Salt, which is a white substance found in seawater that is often used in flavoring and preserving food. Now, here we have white substance, but of course, we have many different kinds of salt. We have bath salts that are different colors. We have, I've seen pink salt recently, so ignore the white here. But you know what I'm talking about. It's salt. We all know salt. Now, in Jamaican Patois, you might see a sentence like this. This ya food ya want little salt, and it means the same thing like it does in English in this case. This ya food ya want little salt means this food here wants a little salt. It's like saying the food is fresh. So this food wants a little salt. This ya food ya want little salt. So that's the first meaning. Salt, the spice that's on the table, or the seasoning that's on the table. The next definition, salt, in Jamaican Patois meaning salted or salty. For example, salt fish, or this is also pronounced saltfish, saltfish or saltfish. You'll probably hear one of these. And saltfish is dried salted codfish, and it's actually a part of the national dish. So the national fruit is ackee, and the national dish is ackee and saltfish. And so you'll hear people say saltfish or saltfish, and it just means salted codfish. Now, salting is any salted meat or fish. Actually, it doesn't have to be salted. Any meat or protein kind in your food, some people will refer to that as salting. So in this sense, where salt means salty or salted, you can probably see a sentence like this. Sell me quarter pound of saltfish. Sell me quarter pound of saltfish. And this means sell me a quarter pound of saltfish. And yes, in Jamaica, we still use this system of measuring. It's very, I can calculate feet and pounds and ounces in my head, and the metric system still gives me a warm time. So yeah, that's that's something that we still do. We use the metric system as well. We learn about it in school, but when you go to the shop, you buy a pound of rice or 5 pounds of rice. In some measurements you can get kilograms, but for a saltfish, usually you're buying a quarter pound of saltfish or half pound of saltfish or 1 pound of saltfish, All right, the third meaning of salt is very unique, I think, to Jamaica. Well, it's definitely different from English, and this is salt meaning unlucky or bad luck. For example, the man salty man, and this means this man is unlucky. This man is unlucky. The man salty man, literally it means the man is unlucky. E-man at the end of it is kind of a rhetorical question. It's like a question you ask when you want somebody to agree with you. So the man salty man, isn't he unlucky? Kinda. Isn't he unlucky, or he's so unlucky? That's what that means. And this is actually a common phrase in Jamaica. And another example of salt meaning unlucky or bad luck would be, what make you so salt? What make you so salt? And this means, why are you so unlucky? What make you so salt? Why are you so unlucky? Now, let me just give a quick recap. So in this lesson, we looked at 3 meanings of salt. Salt meaning the white substance that's on your table, used for food seasonings and used for seasoning food and flavoring food. Number 2, salt meaning salty or salted. Like salted fish, we would say saltfish. And the third meaning, and I think the most unique meaning to Jamaican Patois, would be salt meaning unlucky or bad luck. And people usually use this to describe a situation or a person. Okay, so now that we have that, those 3 meanings down, now here's your assignment. Make some sentences using the third meaning of salt. The salt meaning bad luck or unlucky in the comment section below. And if you would like to support this page, you can do so by watching the ads or purchasing a super thanks in the comment section below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and please check out some of the other lessons that are on this channel.
Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself, Zine. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please hit that notification bell so that you may be notified every time when I upload a video. Also, please follow me on Instagram for daily Jamaican Patois vocabulary. Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself, Zine.